The international community had long reached a consensus that a negotiated peace was the best and indeed only hope for securing durable peace, stability, and prosperity in Afghanistan. This has also been my country's consistent position and recommendation. For almost 2 decades, Pakistan argued that there was no military solution to the conflict and that the only sustainable path to peace in Afghanistan was through dialogue. We are therefore gratified that this is the path that is now being seriously pursued. Apart from Afghanistan, there is no country other than Pakistan that has suffered more from the 4 decades of war and foreign interventions in Afghanistan. There is no other country which will gain more from peace in Afghanistan. In his very first address to the nation after his election last year, Prime Minister Imran Khan reaffirmed Pakistan's support to peace, stability, and prosperity in Afghanistan. And we have played an active role in pursuit of that goal. My government responded positively to President Donald Trump's request to Prime Minister Khan last year for help in the Afghan peace process. We have not only called for a reduction of violence by all sides, as well as for a ceasefire, but have taken whatever steps we could to contribute to that objective. The path to peace will not be easy. Hurdles remain. Many challenges lie ahead before a comprehensive agreement can be reached and accepted by all the parties. Together with the other international partners, we feel that there is now an urgent need to take the next important step, initiation of an intra-Afghan dialogue. We urge all sides, including the Taliban, to commit to this.